Goodness comes in evil goes. Kimungo.
Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, welcome. My name is Kwende, and today we're going to get into another important subject, and that subject is celebrate Kwanzaa with praise of the African self. Throughout the annual cycle, year on year, Africans working in the interests of African ascension, African betterment, can surely make the journey a glorious one and a motivated one by praising each other for work well done. As Kwanzaa is rooted in the harvesting tradition, where all year round effort is something that is certainly praised, then African people working in their own self-interest can praise themselves. And that can feature very much so as part of the celebratory period itself, from the 26th of December through to the 1st of January. Of course, what that inherently means is that the effort is of praiseworthy quality. So whatever we are doing for self-benefit, whatever we are doing in a self-determined mission thrust of victory, then that energizes praiseworthiness within ourselves. We can honor and respect ourselves with joy and in dignity as we praise each other with honoring words, words of gratitude, words of thanks, words that are uplifting, words that are respectful, all those kinds of things, so that the holiday, the celebration, is indeed the wonderful time that it was established to be. And of course, it is a time that is readily accessible to Africans wherever we are in the world. It's a celebration of, for, and with the African world community as we praise and honor ourselves, having participated in self-determined, praiseworthy activity. So with that food for thought, and surely it is food for thought, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, Kimungo Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.
Kwanzaa is for real. We've got to live our own greatness, reveal what we want. Kwanzaa value seal. We've got to be our own nations, yield what we